turn around, we go back like a train runs on a track. We used to put that record on long ago, but not that long. Now you're singing a song that I knew when I was young. We can only see ourselves in the people we love, and it's a strange kind of mirror. Yeah, it's a strange kind of mirror. Yeah. Well, I lived through you, you lived through me. I wouldn't know me if I didn't know you. And we live what we see, we live vicariously. We can only see ourselves, we can only see ourselves, and it's a strange kind of mirror. What we pull as we connect, we absorb as we reflect, and there is another side, and it's not that hard to find. But the more that I hate, the more I can't relate. There must be something in me that I don't wanna see. You remind me, you remind me of how bad I can be, and it's a strange kind of mirror. And to the people we discard, I know you're working hard, but you don't talk like me. We sure as hell don't agree, and I can tell that you're angry. Yeah, but that just makes me angry. And the more that I love, the more I'll rise above. There must be something in me that I'm trying to see. You remind me, you remind me of how good I could be, and it's a strange kind of mirror.
You're fine.
You and me, we are an industry. causes natural disasters, and it's hot at the center of the earth. Tectonic plates belong together. Like all the continents, we were held together in the time of volcanoes. At the center of the earth, white noise and molten harmony. We cause natural disasters, and it's hot at the center of the earth. Tectonic plates belong together. Like all the continents, we were held together in the time of volcanoes. You and me, we are an industry. You and me, baby. We're an industry. You and me, we are an industry. You and me, you and me. Let's hide at the center of the earth. White noise and molten harmony. We cause natural disasters, and it's hot center of the earth. Let's hide at the center of the earth. White noise and molten harmonies. We cause natural disasters, and it's hot at the center of the earth. Oh, city faces, underneath. I believe in the villain. I believe in the thief who steals what he is given, holds it in his teeth. You become an abstraction. You become an idea. And when you represent something, face will disappear. You're the core demographic. We're the hands to the feet. And take us where we are going, where the heart can't see. Under rocks and over crags, we keep on rolling up the maps. And the sea